Forecasters say this hurricane season coming up, setting up to be another busy one. Not as bad as last year's. The official forecast, though, for the Atlantic Basin, including the Gulf of Mexico, is for up to 20 named storms, as many as 10 forecast to become hurricanes, and up to 5 of them could be major hurricanes. And that is above average for a normal year, but not as many storms as the record-breaking 30 named storms that we had last year. The forecast does not take into consideration how many storms might hit land. And with that, Scott, everybody in your world is already eyeballing something that could be headed toward the Texas coastline.
Yeah, a couple of things that we're looking at. One is actually to the northeast of Bermuda. This one is an area of low pressure that the National Hurricane Center has their eyes on, and over the next 48 hours has an 80% chance of developing into a subtropical cyclone, and then after that goes into more of a harsh environment, starts to weaken. From there, we turn our attention to the southwest Gulf, and you can see the visible satellite losing some of that daytime light there, but you're able to look at that area of low pressure, and that actually is something we're going to watch to possibly keep rain here in North Texas. Now, right now, we have a couple of spotty showers, Delta County into Hopkins County, but let's widen out that view again. This is what I'm looking at, and we have that area of low pressure continue to spin around, moisture riding from the southeast to the northwest around that. Now, it's going to make its way further back towards the west, possibly pushing on shore just as an area of low pressure, but a lot of rain expected from that, and we can still see that transporting from the southeast to the northwest overnight tonight and into tomorrow. Spotty showers in the forecast tomorrow afternoon, then go up to probably a 30 to 40% chance late afternoon into the evening hours. Nothing severe expected, but maybe a couple of heavy downpours possible. Thankfully, no flash flood watches in effect, and you can see going even into Saturday morning, still some rain sticking around. Today, we saw a little bit in the rain gauge, 2/100ths of an inch of rain, but our high temperature tells the story of the cloud cover that was in place over DFW, 78 degrees. The average high this time of the year, 85. So right now we're sitting at 73. You know, some of that cloud cover is cleared out, giving us partly cloudy skies. Winds remaining out of the east-southeast at 9. Really no gusts to talk about recently. Dew points in the mid-60s, so that's that tropical air that you feel out there. We're at 72 in Fort Worth to 69 right now in Bridgeport, 70 in Athens with a little bit of that rain around. And overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, not much of a cool down, remaining in the upper 60s to the low 70s. Now, the next few hours for tomorrow, we're going to make our way back up to near 80 degrees, but you notice those rain and storm chances at 30 to 40%. And we wanted to wash out the atmosphere because cottonwood, grass, maple, and fungus all are sitting around in the air. So how much rain can we expect? In some spots, maybe a half of an inch to near an inch of rain. But there's that low pressure I was talking about. It's going to meander its way back towards the west-northwest as high pressure builds on in towards the southwest a bit more. That's going to help us out. So we're going to see our rain chance drop to 20% by Monday and then 30% on Tuesday. Temperatures slowly warming up, and Doug, by next Thursday, 86 degrees and a 20% chance of showers.
All right.